reward for me, actually God's will and His creation. It's because God said that in this world we are to enjoy His blessings, His graces, pleases Him. He really gives an abundant graces, the reward that we acquire, not only when it comes to monetary things, health is a reward, every day is a reward. And also, maybe for the students, just right now we had our recognition. Those students who got the reward is actually God's provision of their hard work, not only for the students but also for the parents and for their families.